So you're dealing with financial anxiety right now. I hear you. Let's use some EFT tapping to help reduce the acute anxiety, fight or flight type reaction so we can be in a space of better mental, emotional clarity to know what's best to do to move forward here. So let's go to the side of the hand, repeating after me. Even though I am totally anxious and stressed about money right now, I choose to have compassion for myself and everything I'm feeling. Even though I'm stressed about the money situation and perhaps imagining my future. And it's scary. And it's real. It's numbers. And I have compassion for myself for how challenging this is. And so even though I am stressed about money right now, and it might not even feel responsible, the idea of just letting go or thinking positive, when I'm in a real situation here, with some real important outcomes I'm imagining, but I'm open to giving myself some space to help process some of what I'm feeling in the spirit of feeling more clarity and having a better handle on what to do. And so let's go through the points now. Let's say there's a lot of stress here. I can feel it in my body. My mind is racing. Maybe parts of me are just shutting down. Part of me doesn't want to look at this or think about this at all. And another part of me is saying, this is real. Money is money. We need it for our food and our rent. I can't just positive think that away. And I don't want to minimize this. And I'm noticing all my patterns, not judging them, just how I tend to react to this moment. Do I feel now I need to grind and hustle twice as hard? Do I feel like I just want to shut down? Do I feel like I'm scrambling for ideas or actions? And I just want to be really present, letting myself feel that response. And as though it were a panicked child, just listening for a moment. Yeah, that is intense. This is stressful and scary. I hear you. And maybe it feels like we have to take the right action right now. But are we open to the possibility that this feeling of stress and panic might not be helping us actually find the best solution or be in the best state of mind to have clarity on how to handle this? So I'm not pretending that the situation isn't real, but I'm giving myself the space. So yeah, perhaps I can release some of the stress, which will allow me to feel more clear and to be open to new ways of looking at the challenge. That I can find solutions that I would never even have thought of. With the more openness I have, and the more ease I give to myself and my nervous system, I can find a way through this. I will explore this. I'm giving myself permission to feel more peace and calm to best serve me here. All right, let's take a breath. Yeah, so that's a 5-minute-ish version just to hopefully help process the stress. You can keep going with this if it's helpful. There's a video I recommend on my channel, an interview with a budgeting coach and EFT practitioner about how to kind of use this tool to go a little further into your specific situation. I'll link that in the end description here and in the end card. Hope it helps, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks.